I'm making red, white, and blue popsicles. Some people call them firecrackers. I've heard a lot of other stuff. But it is Memorial Day here in the USA, so I am doing something in honor of that. So I have this red. I already mixed everything because I didn't want it to take forever. I used clear resin and acrylic paint. Now I'm just cleaning up this mold before I cure it. But you want to cure layer by layer so that the colors stack. And I put this hair tie around it so it doesn't leak, but it's still leaking, which is fine. It's just annoying because you have to cut off the edges. Since it already leaked, I'm just taking this off. Now for the white. Anyway. Right now I'm just curing this white part. It looks like I got some red on it. If I have to, I'm just gonna paint them after. And I don't know if there'll be enough blue, but we'll see. Because I definitely put too much red in. But sometimes on these popsicles, the red part is biggest anyway, so it might be fine. Okay, now I'm putting the blue in. I also don't have any more popsicle sticks, so I'm using the straw I have. I'm just cutting it in half and I'm gonna use it as a popsicle stick. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this one by one. Apparently. Is that like way too short? I'm gonna see if I can pull the other one out. Whoa. You see my hand shaking. Okay, so now I am unmolding these popsicle sticks. So I just need to cut them, and I'm gonna put them